morning, sir.
Okay, so today is 13th of Ashadh 2082, Friday. Friday means practical day. So you have to bring very lovely practicals so that others also will learn how to do it. And I think this is our third practical, right? Yes or no? Third practical. And next practical is next Friday. So who are going to present, that will be announced later on. So today, students, they have already managed science project work, right? What is managed here? Science project work. I think this is about air pressure. And next one is here, how do plants make their food? These two practicals they are going to do. So without wasting time, let's welcome SC batch 2084. And presently the students who are studying in grade 8 in Anupam Vidya Sadan, Anuja Thapa and Geeta Kathayat.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to your expected Vice Principal sir and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Anuja Thapa and my friend Geeta Kathayat. Today we are going to do an experiment on this air pressure. So first we will put here some water.
That experiment you can read one second. Okay, later on.
So please it here. So you can see the water is coming because of the air. So when you try to blow up the balloon inside the bottle, it doesn't inflate easily because the bottle is already filled with the air, and this air has now air to go, creating air pressure that pushes back against the balloon. In other words, the air inside the bottle resists the balloon from expanding. However, when you make the small hole in the bottle, the air can escape through it, allowing the balloon to expand as you blow into it. This is because the pressure inside the bottle can now balance it, making room for balloon to grow. When you cover the hole after the balloon, the air inside the bottle becomes trapped and its pressure keeps the balloon inflated. This simple experiment shows us how air pressure works and how it affects the space available for the balloon inside the water. good morning to all. Respected Vice Chancellor and my lovely friends. As you all know, Geeta. Today I here standing in front of you. How does plant make their food? How does plant make this food? Plant absorbs sunlight through, through chlorophyll in their leaves. Water is absorbed from the soil through the roots and transferred to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from the air insect leaves through any foods called stomata. Inside the chloroplast, and energy from sunlight is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose. Simple sugar and oxygen. Glucose product serves as the food from plant, providing energy for growth and other function. The oxygen product as a byproduct is released into the atmosphere through the stomata in excess. Glucose is stored as extract from the leaves later used. Thank you and have a great day.
Very much, Anuja and Geeta. These are book-based experiments. That's great. So, what you have to do, you have to make the experiments that are related to the book. There are many activities. Select the activity and don't repeat. Like, if this experiment is done now, other students must not do this one. They have to find another one. Understood or not? Because smart people, they don't copy others. They do their work in their own way. And you should not repeat same experiment again and again, which is already done by others. So, air pressure. This experiment is very lovely. The pressure exerted by atmospheric air, that is called air pressure. And air pressure is expressed in one unit. Do you know the unit? That is mm of Hg, millimeter of mercury. Which device is used to measure air pressure? Any idea? The device is barometer. What is the name of the device? Barometer. In the lower height, atmospheric pressure is high, air pressure is high, because there is more air. When you go in upper level, upper height, atmospheric pressure will be less. As the altitude increases, air pressure decreases. Height and air pressure are inversely proportional to each other. Right? I mean, air pressure is maximum at the bottom of mountain, air pressure is minimum at the top of mountain. And in between Tarai and Kathmandu also. In Tarai, air pressure is more. In Kathmandu, air pressure is. What have they done here? This bottle contains some water, and they filled air inside it, the balloon. And when the balloon was kept here, the air, what was filled inside the balloon, pressed the liquid. As a result, the liquid came out. Now see, is here some air on it? Why it is not going? Because outside air pressure and inside air pressure is equal. That's why it dull is here. Yeah, see? When it pressed, liquid came out or not? Because that air exerted pressure on it. Okay, so you might have heard about nose bleeding while climbing the mountains or hills. Some people, when they go in higher altitude, they suffer from nose bleeding. What's the reason? In upper level, atmosphere pressure is less and our blood pressure is more. As a result, blood comes with more pressure and capillaries may burst. Some people they suffer. Alright. Next practical or their presentation was about photosynthesis. What was that? Photosynthesis. Photo, what is that? Light. Synthesis means trapping. Light is trapped, gathered or collected, and what is produced? Food is produced. Who prepares food by that way? Prokaryotic organisms or eukaryotic organisms? They are eukaryotic, well developed, especially green plants. Why green plants? What do they contain? Yeah, there is chlorophyll, right? They can manufacture their food by using simple substances. They use mainly two things. One is carbon dioxide. What is the next one? Water. Carbon dioxide and water, they react together in presence of two things. What are they? Sunlight and chlorophyll. Starch and oxygen are produced. Where is the food produced in the plant? Where is it food? Where is the food produced? Leaf. She was talking about stomata, right? What is stomata? In the leaves, there are small opening from which air can enter and come out. Like we have got opening or not? These nostrils. From here, no air goes inside and comes out, right? What do you call them? Stomata. Singular is stomata. Sorry, stoma. Singular is stoma. Plural is stomata. So from stomata, food, the air goes inside. From root, water comes. Air inside means they take carbon dioxide. And in presence of daytime, they manufacture their food. See, all green plants are very happy now. Do you know why? They are manufacturing their food. Are they manufacturing or not? During night time, can they manufacture? Why can they manufacture? Because of lack of sunlight, right? Okay, thank you very much. Once again, Anuja and Geeta. Whose duty is to present on coming Friday? You come here. Whose lab presentation is there? Fourth one. Pawan and Pawan and Sunjib. Come, Pawan and Sunjib. So these boys, they are going to bring dhamakedar performance presentation on coming Friday, right? And next Friday there is no presentation because there is exam. There will be project work submission and there is minor exam, and after first term, fifth presentation will be performed. Is that clear? So be smart in your subject, especially you have to be smart in science because now science time. Yes or no? And focus on creating new and new things. New type of experiment you have to bring, not the old which is already performed. If you bring like that experiment, it will be discarded and again you will be provided next day. Not only one, two. That type of activity will be done. Exactly? Thank you.